Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this fog machine here. It's a Katomi 700 watt fog machine. It's also available in other dimensions. Here this is a small version of it. You can choose the medium or large version to it if you like. But the center is, I think it's the same because fog is coming out, RGB light gives you a really awesome effect in color. We have 13 colors and 8 LED light smoke machine here. Mini fog smoke machine with 2 water and remote controls for DJs, for disco, for the party, for Halloween, for weddings, and of course for Christmas. Oh, Christmas, the best season of the year. 2 remote controls. This is really cool. This allows us to control the party light fog machine and the light effect mode within 10 meters. And double reach protection function. We start at the same time when we need the light and the smoke function. If we only need one of the functions, we turn on the switch. It can effectively protect the smoke engine. Because maybe you have only fun with the light. Choose only the light. Or you does not need light, but you need fog. Then you can switch on the fog mode. Or both together. And with the LEDs, there comes an RGB effect. There are different light effects. Red, blue, green, of course, or the mixed colors such as cyan, fuchsine, yellow, and white, and the different speeds. And it's really easy to use. We top up it with 0.3 liter of fog liquid. This can is sold separately, of course, or you make it by your own. It can work for 60 minutes with 0.3 liter of the fog liquid. And it's suitable for a room of 40 up to 60 square meters. And it's a wide application. This novel design here can be used for a stage performance, weddings, ceremonies, or parties too. New Year's Eve, Christmas, or only a Christmas room decoration is possible too. Karaoke, bars, concerts, gaming, and it provides special light effects. It's really cool. And 700 watt automatic fog machine can bring you an automatic function and a remote control function, or it's a manual way. The first thing is really cool. Okay, we should take a little time to take care of us because danger of burns. We keep out the appliance out of reach of children. This product is really only for adults, and we never leave this machine unattended. We never aim this machine directly at people or animals, and we put the fog machine in a well-ventilated place. We never cover any vent hole on the machine, and we leave at least 1 foot of space around the machine while it's running, which allows the air to move in and out of the machine. We never aim the machine into open flames. If the supply power cord is cut or otherwise damaged, we should take care of it, of course. We keep this appliance dry and put it in a dry environment, and it's not suitable for outdoor use. We use 3-prong grounding receptacle only. We make sure the machine is powered up at the rated voltage before use, and we always unplug the machine before refilling the fluid tank. Never put any type of flammable liquids, for example gas, oil, alcohol, or perfumes, in the water tank. We do not mix this liquid with the fog fluid. We use only the right mixture of the fog fluid easily. We always make sure that the water tank is full before using the fog machine. We attempting to operate this machine without fluid will result in overheating and pump damage. If our machine operates abnormally, we just unplug it and discharged the fog fluid from the water tank, and find then the solution for a fixture of it, of course. We never transport the machine filled with any fluid. We always drain the fluids prior to transport it. And then it's really easy. The first step is we top up the tank. Then we are connected to the power supply. And after this, we can switch the power button to the on position. Okay, this is step number 1. Then we have to wait a little bit until it heated up. Okay, this costs you 2 or 3 minutes. Then you will see on the wired remote or on wired switch line, it's shining red. That means I'm ready to work, buddy. And then you can use this button and push on it, and the fog will come out of the machine. When the red light is on the wire receiver light up, we can use the wired remote control or the wireless fog remote control to create mist for about 20 seconds. Then we can choose what we like. We can choose how much fog comes out, and then it has to be go back into power on mode again. And then this is a circle. If you like to have an automatic feature, it's really cool because you can switch on the power button, of course, and then switch on the spray switch. If you perform this, you are in the automatic mode. We turn on the device and press the auto fog button. Then the machine heats up and automatically generates the mist. It's really easy, as you can see. And then, of course, you can make it by the remote control. The LED, you can choose on and off by the LED button, but also you can use the remote control to change the different LED settings. First step is easy. We pour the atomized liquids into the water tank and plug the power into it, the socket. We turn on the fog machine and we starts preheating. After 2 to 3 minutes of warming up, there is a red light will be shown in the receiver. Then we can start. We press the button on the remote. It will spray fog continuously for about 20 seconds. We want to stop the spray. We press the A button on the remote and it will switch off. For our safety, we make sure that there is enough fog fluid in the tank before it's used, and make sure that the metal liquid nozzle is totally immersed in atomized liquid. We do not spray fog directly on people, of course, and the LED lights can only be activated once the fog machine is preheated successfully. The fog machine is either for indoor use and no timer is required. Warm-up time, up to 3 minutes. The power is 700 watt. The oil capacity is 0.3 liters. The package size, 27 to 17 to 15 centimeters. And the pillions is round about 1.8 kilogram. And that's all what you need for a big party. You will need music, of course. You will need the fog liquid. And you will need the Katomi 700 watt fog machine. Let's party on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.